How to fix iPhone hotspot not working. So if you want to fix your iPhone hotspot not working, then first what you need to do is make sure that your airplane mode is turned off. If it is already off, you need to just simply go and turn it on at once and then wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. After turning it off, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to make sure that your mobile data is turned on, because if you want to use your hotspot, then you need to turn on your mobile data. If you've not turned it on, then you won't be able to use your hotspot. So make sure that the option of mobile data is turned on as well. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and restart your device. After restarting, the problem might be fixed. Or you can just simply open up your settings application. Once you open up your settings, you'll get this kind of interface, right? So you just need to simply scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of general. Tap on general, then scroll down a bit and then go with transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. And tap on reset all settings, and after resetting your settings, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.